Hi guys, how are you today? So I'm trying to start this video, but someone wants attention. So this is Phoebe. She really loves to cuddle. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys the Arbor Day box that we had this month in September. It was our first box, and I'm gonna show you the activities. Okay, so let's start with the activity number 1. I'm super excited. Activity number 1, it's really great. I love this material and I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna love it too. So let's read the letter first and then I'll show you the materials that we have in this kit, okay? Did you know that clay comes from nature? It's a very malleable material similar to Play-Doh, but it gives you the opportunity to create a piece of art and keep it forever. The idea in this activity is to make a tree sculpture using the natural elements that integrate in this kit. Before you start, get a bowl with some water to help you manipulate the clay. So, let's see what we have in this one. Here it is. Let's open it. All right. So, in this one you got some leaves, right? Beautiful long leaves, and there are other shapes there. Shapes of leaves, of course. Some sticks or branches, okay? Sticks from the trees, stones, some stones, right? And seeds, some little seeds, you know. This is where trees come from, seeds. They come from seeds. All plants come from seeds. You knew that, right? Okay, and clay, of course, clay. So all you have to do is to go to a table, get a plate or something, a tray. I like to use these trays. I always reuse them, so this is a suggestion. You can, like when your mom buys cheese or something like that, wash it, and then you can use to do some arts and crafts, okay? So anyways, get a tray like this one, get the clay and all the other materials in this kit, and try to make a tree or whatever you think it's better, okay? If you want to make something else, it's fine too. But the idea is to make a tree because it's Arbor Day. It's a really special month. So let's create something really nice, okay? I hope you like it.